Part 2 of the video. That mountain's gone. Those mountains are starting to get hit, and I'm starting to get sprinkled on. A few birds up there. Doubt you'll catch any. Where they at? Right there? Yeah, I doubt you'll even be able to see them. This is when they were riding the quad. That hill is about to be gone. Same with that there slanted mountain. That just reappeared and now it's disappearing. There's another checkpoint hill that I talk about. When it disappears, it's time to go. And that's a for sure fact. That motherfucker might be coming at us. And if it holds its ass together, we get some serious ass rain. Nilla, Socha. Nilla. Nilla, come. Alright, so while I was looking away and looking for Manila, which Manila is right there. That's why I worry about her so much. She's a tiny little baby. Whoop, can't fall into that glass. The storm might actually be heading our way. I'm gonna go ahead and roll up to my house, put my dogs back inside and get Nilla in. See y'all in a minute. Peace, peace.